Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. You will get all the trending news of today in this video. We'll request you to watch the full video, do like this video and share the video with your friends. And if you're new in our channel, then subscribe and click the bell icon for regular Bollywood news update. So let's start today's Bollywood news update. Yash Raj Films planning for Ranveer to play a lead role in Dhoom 4. Yash Raj Films is planning for Dhoom 4. The Dhoom series started in 2004 with Abhishek Bachchan and John Abraham as the lead roles. This was an instant success which led the producers to make another two parts of it where Hrithik and Aamir played the lead roles. Now producers are planning for the fourth part of the series and want a young actor to play the lead role to generate more crowd and spectators. For this, who else will be better than the Gully Boy? Yash Raj Films are planning for it, though the director is not yet confirmed. Sounds to be mouth-watering as Ranveer plays the lead role in Dhoom 4. Taapsee Pannu shared her scary swimming experience. Taapsee Pannu is one of the busiest actresses of this time. In these lockdown times, she shared a lot of experience through social media with her fans. She always explains the details she wanted to share. On Monday, she shared a picture from a shot from her advertisement of Horlicks, from where she shared a picture and revealed her nearly drowning experience, and for that she was afraid to learn swimming. She wrote, "Those were the days. This was while I was shooting an ad for my brand Women's Horlicks. Getting into a swimming pool was a joy for me, but it wasn't always like that. Had a scary near drowning experience in a pool when I was a kid, so got really scared of learning how to swim. It was only 9 years back that I finally got over that fear and learned swimming. I remember swimming laps in an indoor pool alongside many kids in the same class, and it made me feel that learning has no age and probably the child in me is still alive," she added. Taapsee was last seen in the movie Thappad. Vicky Kaushal and Dhoom 3 director Vijay Krishnan Acharya prepared for a big project with Yash Raj Films. Well, Vicky Kaushal has a series of films in the pipeline starting with Shujit Sarkar's Sardar Udham Singh, Meghna Gulzar's Sam based on Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, and Karan Johar's Taakat and Aditya Dhar's Ashwatham. With that to add is a film in Yash Raj banner in the direction of Dhoom 3 and Thugs of Hindustan director Krishna Acharya. Yash Raj Films will be announcing some big projects with big stars as a part of their 50th anniversary. It will be an action film which will be a part of the 50th anniversary project. The makers are still in talk with the actor, and if everything is going fine, then the work should roll in very soon. Abhishek Sharma confirms a never-been-seen movie for John Abraham. John Abraham's genre is action films, as we all know, but the actor is in a good string of movies from last 2 to 3 years and having successes with his new avatars in the movies like Parmanu, Satyam Jayate and Batla House. His roles in the movie Parmanu was a new genre of acting for John, which he accomplished really well. The director of the movie, Mr. Abhishek Sharma, confirms to a news portal that he is in a project with John Abraham, where he will be seen as a never-before-seen character. Well, if it happens and comes out good, then we are waiting for another new genre of John to watch. KGF star Yash says how important the beard was for his look in the film. All film lovers are eagerly waiting for the second chapter of KGF after the great success of the first part. The performance of the leading role superstar Yash was worthy to watch as Rocky. With his brilliant performance, fans liked his look in the film with long hair and beard like dons of the 70s. It was a customized look for the actor in the film, which has now become a part of his personality. In a recent interview with a leading daily, Yash talking about the beard look said, "It has been more than 4 years. The beard was an important element of my KGF look as it made my character Rocky look gurnier, rough and intense. but now it has become a part of my personality and I love it. Although it requires extra effort to keep the beard well groomed, I don't mind it at all. The KGF star also recently completed 12 years of being in the industry. It's been a long successful journey and his fandom is proof. The success graph of the actor from his debut till his last KGF has been a really interesting one with such diversity of characters, looks and films. The favorite one being of course KGF and Rocky. Along with Yash, KGF Chapter 2 also stars actor Sanjay Dutt, and it will be interesting to watch these two stars sharing the screen space for the first time in the film. We are eagerly waiting for the movie to release this year. Salman Khan shares a video of farming in Panvel with tractor. Salman Khan is at his Panvel farmhouse with his family during this world lockdown. Some of his friends are also there with him for the last 100 days or so. He is recently seen post pictures and videos from his farmhouse and is likely to be thought that he has taken farming on serious note and is doing some farming on his own. In his last Instagram video, Salman is seen driving a tractor to plow lands and make it ready for farming. He has shared the video and captioned it as farming. Earlier, Salman had opened up on the farmhouse saying, "Whenever I don't have work, I am here. It's peaceful and I can do my things. I work out, I swim, I paint. It's an open space like a jungle. I play sports like volleyball, table tennis, cricket and even fly kites. I go fishing as well. There is a pond." Farhan Akhtar to direct Phone Bhoot starring Katrina Kaif, Ishan Khattar and Siddhant Chaturvedi. In 2019, it was reported about Phone Bhoot. While Farhan Akhtar has finally dropped the first photoshoot look and announced Phone Bhoot is set for 2021 release. The one-stop shop for all Bhoot-related problems, Phone Bhoot, ringing in your nearest cinema in 2021. Dressed in a black tusk, in the photoshoot all three of them are making funny faces. This is the first time the three actors will work with each other. While Katrina Kaif has done two films with Excel Entertainment, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara and Bar Bar Dekho. This is the third project of Siddhant Chaturvedi after Inside Edge and Gully Boy. Aditya Chopra reveals why he said no to Sushant Singh Rajput's Pani with Shekhar Kapoor. Shekhar Kapoor has blamed the producer Aditya Chopra for not doing the film Pani. A source from this news says that the director always talked about the film but never gave a well-formatted script to the director to make it happen. On the other hand, the cost that he showed was way beyond the budget on which the first discussion happened. Aditya Chopra said, "We cannot make this film with Sushant at the budget that you are showing. For that kind of money, we need Shah Rukh Khan." It was as thought Aditya didn't want to make Pani with Sushant, but the budget that Shekhar showed was not practical for Sushant's starrer, the source reveals. Govinda opens up on nepotism. After Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the topic nepotism is the burning issue now. While several actors have given their views on the issue, the latest to join in the debate is veteran actor Govinda. Opening up about the struggles in the industry and how things have changed over the years, the Jodi #1 actor seems to have seconded Kangana Ranaut's claim about the movie mafia. Speaking to Hindustan Times in his latest interview, Govinda said, "Earlier, whoever was talented got work. Every film would get equal opportunity in theaters, but now there are 4 to 5 people who dictate the whole business. They decide if they want to let films of those who aren't close to them release properly or not. Some of my good films also didn't get the right kind of release, but things are changing now." Akshay Kumar to release 2 films and shoot 3 films this year. Actor Akshay Kumar is set to have 2 releases this year, Lakshmi Bomb and Suryavanshi. He will also resume work and shoot 3 movies back-to-back that got delayed amid the coronavirus pandemic. Akshay is set to begin shooting his next bell bottom starring from August. It becomes the first Bollywood film to go on the floor abroad amid this crisis, as the film does not require to be shot with a larger crowd or larger scale action. A month's schedule will be filmed in Scotland. The espionage thriller requires the team to shoot minor proportion in India. If all goes well according to the schedule, Akshay may wrap up the project by September. This will be followed by Yash Raj Films' historical drama Prithviraj that got halted in March. He will resume the project since 40% of the shoot remains to be filmed. Since it requires a large-scale production, the makers are not in a hurry to resume shooting. Akshay Kumar plans to shoot by October end. Meanwhile, another project requires him to film abroad for 2 weeks. Directed by Anand L. Rai, Akshay will decide the date soon for Atrangi Re once the situation seems stable enough. By December or January, Akshay will begin work on Sajid Nadianwala's Bachchan Pandey, which was supposed to go on floor in April and release during Christmas. Now that it's been delayed, it is expected to roll by the end of the year. It will have lavish songs and action sequence and will be an out-and-out entertainer. As of now, he has 3 films resuming shooting this year. Safety will be the utmost importance on every set. Akshay plans to take breaks after every film shoot is done. In 2021, he plans to begin work on Ekta Kapoor's action comedy, which will be a remake of Telugu film and also a movie with Manish Sharma. Meanwhile, Lakshmi Bomb is set for Disney Plus Hotstar release, whereas Suryavanshi is expected to release in theaters.